Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? Me llamo Pablo. Welcome to my series called Essential Spanish for Beginners. In the last video of this series, we learned Los días de la semana, days of the week. And today, we are going to continue with Los meses del año. That's right, months of the year. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be able to remember all of them. The video includes fun repetition, easy sentences, and a mini quiz. So do watch the video till end. Let's start. First, I'll say the month in English and then in Spanish. Vamos. January, enero, February, febrero, March, marzo, April, abril, May, mayo, June, junio, July, julio, August, agosto, September, septiembre, October, octubre, November, noviembre, and December, diciembre. Let's listen to it once again, and this time it's your turn to repeat after me. Let's start. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Perfecto. Now let's use them in real sentences. Don't worry, if you don't understand the complete sentence, you may read the translation for now. Let's listen to the sentences. Focus on the months and their pronunciation. Mi cumpleaños es en marzo. My birthday is in March. En abril hay flores. In April there are flowers. En junio hace calor. In June it's hot. En diciembre es Navidad. In December it is Christmas. Great! Now it's time to play a riddle game to see if you can guess the right month. I'll give you a clue and you guess the month in Spanish. The first one is, I'm the month when the year begins. Second, I'm the month of love. Third, I'm the fifth month of the year. Fourth, I'm the month of Halloween. Were you able to guess the right month? It was easy, no? Moving on to the last section, we are going to understand some basic questions related to months. The first question is, ¿En qué mes estamos? Which month are we in? Second, ¿En qué mes es tu cumpleaños? In which month is your birthday? And last, ¿cuál es tu mes favorito? Which is your favorite month? Now, as you know all the months in Spanish, write the answers to these questions in the comments. With this, we'll end the video here. If you liked watching the video, please do subscribe to my channel for learning more Spanish. Hasta luego.